Hi, I am Hoarder Bird. Someone is on my screen. Finally, he's gone for now. I wanna try doing an obby for an Bloxy reward. Oh my god, what is this? A weird home as well. What's this?
Stop holding me, you purple
What
ugly
the
bird.
hell? Why are we the same? I'm confused. And now we have this giant leaf. Oh no, I died.
Hey guys, it's me, Cyan Bird. Purple Bird is dead, I don't know why. This is an obby, we should try going up higher. What are these sounds? Anyways, I should complete the obby. This is a little long. Yeah, I did it, but where is the big Bloxy trophy? Well, if there is no Bloxy big trophy, then I have to kick those small ones. Three to 1. Ha ha ha. This is the end now.